Here's your ticket to the best pubs on the planet.
Welcome to Historic Pub Crawls, exploring the world one pub crawl at a time.
For the past 20 years, I've been running pub crawls for my family and friends every year for my birthday. But when I lost my job, I started sharing the routes, which have now become the best-selling books that you can buy in all good retailers. At a time when pubs are struggling more than ever, let's take every opportunity to show the world just how important they are. Whilst it's a small part to play, I've spent the last couple of years revisiting over 1,000 of them, listening to their stories, finding out what makes them so special, meeting some amazing characters along the way, and of course, doing it all over a pint. So follow me as I champion the iconic pubs across the planet, from London to the USA, across England, over Ireland, brave Scotland, and throughout Europe. Why not grab a book and join me? Because the crawl never ends when you're drinking with friends. See you at the bar. Cheers.